Hey people! So there is this show called Being Dad on Netflix. It's like from the Chicken Soup for the Soul group. It's a Chicken Soup for the Soul series, Being Dad, and it follows the lives of these whole spectrum of dads, like as in a single dad, a dad who's a stay-at-home dad, then this particular dad who's you know his wife is uh, I mean, like you get to see, you get to peek into the lives of dads from Atlanta to the ones in California to the ones with who have special needs children. So it is quite a unique and interesting show. So try and catch it, people. It's called Chicken Soup for the Soul series, Being Dad, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.